Yeah, I mean, everybody wants a little field trip every now and again. Call the Myers.
They were having a day.
Now?
A favorite quote from they were having a day.
The animals are having a day.
I love it. And you know what?
Monkeying around.
We're going to have a day tomorrow. Storms, rain and storms, guys. Live look at Central right now. And you've noticed the fog and the drizzle or mist out there. It feels uncomfortable. The humidity looking to the south, there's Central. Typically, we see downtown in the distance there. Can't see it. So we've got that humidity. We've got the water vapor coming into play. And that's definitely feeling uncomfortable out there. That's going to act as fuel for storms. So first alert weather day for tomorrow. Localized flooding will take over as the primary threat, but first there will be an isolated severe threat. The Storm Prediction Center may bump that up to a level 2 risk. Right now, we're all in the 1. We'll see. But large hail, fairly low in terms of the threat with this. I think wind damage is going to be more prevalent in spots. Almost a non-zero tornado threat, but not completely. Got to respect that. And then the flooding, flash flooding, will be the primary thing. I think we're watching afternoon to evening primarily. Let's go over to the maps. I want to show you as we go towards this evening, we have storms approaching pretty quickly now. So after sundown, they'll get a little jolt of energy from something we call the nocturnal low-level jet. These are starting to speed up just a bit. Something interesting, though, just had another flash flood warning put on this cell west of Stephenville. This is going to be common. We're already seeing them up and down the line, and we don't have that daytime heating to add fuel. So these storms tomorrow, we got to watch out for the flooding threat. Severe thunderstorm watch, but the southernmost cell, again, remember, tail end Charlie has all the access to warm instability. It's cutting it off for the northern cells. It kind of has that shape, little inflow notches. It has that look like a hook, but the atmosphere tonight is not conducive for that. We'll see, but it's borderline almost a severe storm at this moment. If we were to keep the timing on this and they track a little bit east of northeast, kind of what we're seeing now, it'd be in the Metroplex somewhere after 1 or 1:30. We'll see, but as of right now, this line is filling in pretty well here, stretching from Wichita Falls and Bowie all the way down to the south and west. Advanced radar on that one cell, flash flood warning. Look at all the lightning, and again, quite a bit of wind, have some mid-level rotation there, but we'll keep a close eye on those cells. High-res Futurecast doing a good job, brings the warm front in. Wouldn't be surprised to see stray streamer showers popping out ahead, moving south to north, bringing in even more instability and humidity, but it may mitigate some of the severe threat with the cloud cover and with the rain. We'll see. All in all, though, it still seems to think we'll recover in the afternoon, so I'm a little bit watching this more closely here in the warm sector. Beneath the warm front, some strong storms possible, and each one of these, if they sit over spots, could dump brief heavy rainfall, localized flooding potential. Then we're finally done after the cold front. You see storms fire up again late, maybe 10 or 11 o'clock. We'll be with you right here this time tomorrow, watching this closely. Download the app, and then we can send you a push alert and start a stream right away, even just from the Weather Center. Level 1 risk, so we have the first alert weather day in place. Again, like I said, not a stretch to think they might bump it up to a level 2. All in all, though, isolated rainfall amounts could be much higher than this. Overall, though, we should get a decent amount of rain, and we need it, but we just don't want that localized flooding all over. So weather alert day for tomorrow, 70 degrees after that clearing out. The weekend is just perfect. Upper 40s, low 50s to the 70s. Pretty nice. Veterans Day looks good. Nice little impulse there coming in early next week, but all in all, pretty good.